In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Tron from OKX to Tonkeeper by swapping it for TON first. This method ensures a fast and secure transaction, allowing you to move your funds with ease. Follow the steps carefully to complete the process successfully. Start by logging into your OKX account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the Markets tab at the top of the screen. Click on it to access the trading pairs. In the search bar, type TRX to find Tron and select the TRX trading option. This will take you to the trading interface where you can sell your Tron. Next, find the option to sell TRX. You should see a sell button along with the current price and market information. Input the amount of Tron you wish to sell and confirm the transaction. After the sale is complete, the funds will be available in your account balance as fiat currency or stablecoin, depending on your choice. Now that you have converted your Tron into TAN, open the Tonkeeper application on your device. Once you are in the app, look for the Receive button, usually located on the main screen. Tap on it to generate your wallet address. A string of characters will appear, which represents your Tonkeeper wallet address. Make sure to copy this address accurately, as it is essential for the next step. Return to your OKX account and navigate to the Withdraw section. You will find this option in the menu, typically on the left side of the screen. Select Withdraw, and then choose TON from the list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. In the designated field, paste the wallet address you copied from Tonkeeper. This ensures that your funds are directed to the correct wallet. The wallet. For the network selection, ensure that you choose TON to facilitate a smooth transfer. The network choice is crucial, as selecting the wrong network may result in a failed transaction. In the comment or memo section, you can leave it blank or check the option for no comment. This step is optional and does not affect the transfer. Finally, review all the details and click on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. Your funds will now be sent from OKX to Tonkeeper. This method of transferring TON is efficient and cost-effective, ensuring that your funds arrive safely in your Tonkeeper wallet. After completing the transaction, you may want to check your Tonkeeper app to confirm that the funds have been received. You should see the new balance reflected in your wallet shortly after the transaction is processed.